In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Ram 2500 key fob. This key fob here was used between 2010 and 2019 and takes one CR2032 battery. It's really easy to change the battery yourself at home. All you will need is a flathead screwdriver and one of these batteries. If you'd like to pick one of them up online, I will leave a link down in the description so that you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. First thing we're going to do is go down to where the key ring is, and you can see, follow the seam along until it comes to this little indentation here. That corner there, that's where we want to insert our flathead screwdriver. So just wiggle it in until it sticks in there and twist like that, or turn like a key until you have made this little opening in the side, and then you can just keep twisting or just pull it apart with your fingers. And now we will just carefully remove the buttons that has the circuit board beneath it. Can now lift out the battery, CR2032, as you can see. Take a brand new one, positive side, goes face down, and we just click it into place like that. Now put this back on, make sure it sits in place firmly, and this just gets clicked back on top. Super easy. That is really all it takes, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, feel free to give us a like or a comment. And for more information on how to change the battery for any of your key fobs from any make or model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.